Hello, fan. Today, we're diving into the world of houseplants, specifically those that are easy to care for, perfect for beginners. Let's kick things off with the snake plant. It's a hardy plant that can survive on minimal water and light. Next up is the ZZ plant, another low-maintenance option. It thrives in indirect light and can tolerate periods of drought. The spider plant is another great choice, especially if you have pets or kids around. It's non-toxic and requires only moderate watering. For a burst of color, try the peace lily. It's an air purifier that thrives in low light conditions and doesn't need much water. The aloe vera plant is another great choice for its medicinal properties and minimal care requirements. The cast iron plant is another hardy option that can tolerate shade and occasional neglect when it comes to watering. The English ivy is a trailing vine that loves to be placed in baskets or pots, on shelves, windowsills, or even hanging from the ceiling. It prefers some moisture, but will tolerate dry conditions if needed. The pothos is another easy trailing houseplant that requires infrequent watering and can grow in low light conditions, making it perfect for those shady spots in your home. The Chinese money plant is a unique beauty with money-shaped leaves. It needs only bright but indirect light and occasional watering. The Pilia peperomioides or friendship plant is another excellent choice for low light conditions and minimal care requirements. Its pretty pink flowers are an added bonus. Finally, the jade plant is a symbol of good luck and health. It's easy to maintain and can thrive in bright light or even artificial lighting. And there you have it, 11 easy houseplants for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more green thumb tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, everyone.